Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two videos. The first case shows calcification in the uterus, age-related calcification, and the other case shows a rare case of a rare finding of hemangioma in the uterus. Now you can see the first video shows the calcification, and you can see a significant calcification in the uterus. The patient is aged about 72 years, and the uterus shows atrophic changes along with microcalcified areas. You can see this is urinary bladder and this is uterus, and these are the small calcified areas seen in the outer portion of the uterus, seen in the outer outline of the uterus. Calcification is often seen after menopause, since the change in hormones can influence fibroid growth and degeneration. However, fibroid can become calcified during childbearing years as well. Calcified uterine arcuate vessels are commonly noted in elderly females. Normal ectopic postmenopausal endometrium in association with cervical stenosis can produce endometrial fluid collection, seen easily on vaginal probe ultrasound. And now you can see the calcification in the uterus and the uterine parenchyma. If the endometrial tissue surrounding the fluid is thin, that is 3 millimeter or less, the endometrium is invariably inactive and sampling is not necessary. Now, a calcified fibroid is when fibroid has reached the final stage of degeneration or cell death, and calcium deposits develop on the remaining fibroid tissue. Fibroids are benign tumors that grow in or on the uterine wall. Each woman with fibroids has a unique experience, including the rate of growth. Now, you are going to see the second video, and it shows a small mass in the uterus and an ovarian cyst. The small mass is hemangioma, a rare case in the uterus. Hepatic hemangiomas are most common, and the hemangioma in the kidney are called angiomyolipoma. But the incident of uterine hemangioma is very rare. Now, uterine hemangioma is a rare benign tumor, usually presenting with menorrhagia or pregnancy-associated complications. You can see the uterus, a female patient aged about 35 years, having 3 children. You can see the blood flow. No significant blood flow is seen. Hemangioma looks painful, but they do not typically cause any discomfort. After a brief period of rapid growth, they often shrink on their own without treatment. They are non-cancerous and complications are very rare. Now, the hemangioma very rarely become cancerous. Most do not require any medical treatment. However, some hemangiomas can be disfiguring, and many people seek a doctor's care for cosmetic reasons. In most cases of hemangioma, treatment doesn't involve surgery. A liver hemangioma, which is very common, of the commonest of the all hemangioma, is a hepatic hemangioma, is a benign non-cancerous tumor in the liver that is made up of clusters of blood-filled cavities fed by the hepatic artery. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.